Pakistan Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif finally acknowledged India's retaliation. He said that General Asim Munir called him at around 2:30 am on May 10 and informed him that India had launched ballistic missiles. One hit the Nur Khan Airways and several missiles hit other important locations.
Pakistan's Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif has admitted to India's precision missile strike on the Nur Khan airbase in Rawalpindi and other sites. In a statement that has now gone viral on social media, Sharif is heard saying that Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir personally called him at 2:30 am on the intervening night of May 9th and 10th to inform him about the attack.
After the Pahalgam attack, the Pakistani government did not want to accept many of the events of India's Operation Sindoor. Finally, Pakistan accepted the truth, which it had been denying for so long. Pakistani Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif himself has acknowledged the retaliatory attack carried out through India's Operation Sindoor. He said that several important bases, including the Nur Khan Airways, were destroyed in the Indian missile attack. Shahbaz Sharif said that on May 10th at around 2:30 am, General Asim Munir called him and informed him that India had launched ballistic missiles. One hit the Nur Khan Airways and several missiles hit other important locations. Shahbaz Sharif also said that the Pakistan Air Force used its own technology and advanced equipment from Chinese fighter jets to defend the country. He also claimed that a ceasefire was later proposed by India. Nur Khan Airways is known as the most sensitive and strategic airways. It is located near Islamabad.
एक हम जवाब देंगे 9 और 10 की दरमियानी रात में तकरीबन 2:30 बजे सिपह सलार जनरल सैयद आसिम मुनीर ने मुझे सिक्योर फोन पे मुझे बताया कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म साहब, हिंदुस्तान ने अपने बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल अभी लॉन्च किए हैं, एक नूर खान एयरपोर्ट पे गिरा है और कुछ और दूसरे इलाकों में गिरे हैं। मेरे इंतहाई काबिल एहतराम बुजुर्गों, भाई और बहनों, मैं उस खुदाए बुजुर्गों बरतर को गवाह बनाकर कहता हूँ कि इस जर्नैल की आवाज़ में इंतहाई एतमाद था, खुददारी थी।
Flights of the President, Prime Minister and other VIPs of Pakistan are operated from here. Satellite images shows that the Indian missiles hit the target with great precision and there was no mistake. The picture shows a VIP flight which looks like a white Gulfstream G450 parked at the airbase.
Mr. Shahbaz Sharif certainly has good imagination, very fertile imagination, but obviously peace is not in Pakistan's dictionary. So before proposing anything, I think he should look into his own conscience and decide whether Pakistan has ever been peaceful to anyone, not just to India, whether it has been peaceful to Afghanistan, whether it has been peaceful to Iran, whether it has been peaceful even to Russia, which is a distant neighbor. So for Pakistan to suggest that we should sit like peaceful neighbors is a piece of fiction. Well, I don't think Mr. Sharif is serious, because he's just mouthing it to impress the international community that, look, I am talking of peace. India is not being reciprocal and not reciprocating in equal measures.
Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.